engagement and about our collaboration as countries and as peoples. Specifically here, obviously, at the front of everybody's minds currently in Zimbabwe is the election. Our embassy is also looking at that in order to support the institutions that will make the elections successful. We do not support politicians, we do not support parties, we support institutions and processes. And so I'm partly here to talk to and did speak yesterday with the Minister of Foreign Affairs, with the Minister of Justice, with other government representatives in a meeting yesterday, covering also the election process, covering the PVO bill, which we share some of the concerns that have been expressed by others, and I expressed also our thinking about the PVO bill and had an exchange at the meeting yesterday. We are also, our embassy here is participating in the current AFDB debt arrears process, which is potentially a very powerful tool for the government to engage, and it's also a powerful tool for civil society and other organizations to be pulled into a process which will be fundamental and important for the economy of this country to re-engage, to reopen to international lending, to bring in options